welcome back to Kawaii Little Squishy video. We're going to be doing squishy dares, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, so the first dare is throw a squishy at someone. So I am going to be throwing this squishy. I'll be throwing the squishy, the hamburger, at my sister. So yeah, Lego.
Sense of humor. Taxi care,
So that was a success, and I love this squishy. It's really squishy. So yeah, and then the next one is to throw a squishy outside. So I'm going to be throwing. Wait, I'm gonna see if there's okay. I'm gonna be throwing this outside. So yeah, let's go. That was a success. Now put it back in the bag. Yeah. So on to the next dare. Next dare is to steam a squishy or put it in hot water. So yeah, I will be steaming this sprinkled donut. Yeah, let's go. By the way, this donut is really defective, like it's ripped, but I still like it though. So I put it in hot water. So I'm gonna push it down. It's really hot water. Wait, I'm gonna just do it with a fork. So I got the squishy right here. So I'm just gonna put it down, as you can see. And it's really getting really getting bumpy and bloopy. And there's defects a lot now. Yeah, I'll be seeing y'all in 1 hour. So now I'm taking it off. So, it's really hot. Oh my. Oh no, it got ripped. Oh, and 2 sprinkles went off. It's still really soft and squishy, but yeah, next dare. The next dare is to cut up a squishy. So I'll be cutting up this blushing bun. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off the packaging. I'm scared. I don't like cutting up my squishies. Hey, I think I said this somewhere. Did I? I think I said it. Hold on. Okay, so I found my scissors. So I'll be cutting it. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Ah. Oh. So I got that over here. So yeah, it looks the same, but it looks really thick. Right here. Okay. So on to the next dare. So the next dare is to throw it at a fan. Well, I'm going to be throwing this giant panda bun at a fan. This fan, which is really big. So yeah. So now I'll be throwing this squishy at this fan. Ready, set, go. Oh! Wow. Oh, that was a success. So yeah. That is all, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a kind comment. And please subscribe. And I'll be seeing y'all soon. Bye.